Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on a Dodge Journey. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Next, gather all necessary tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a battery hold-down wrench. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process for your vehicle. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. The battery is usually located under the hood, often on the driver's side of your Dodge Journey. Using your wrench, first loosen and remove the negative battery cable, which is typically marked with a minus sign. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive battery cable, marked with a plus sign, and carefully set both cables aside. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the old battery straight out. Remember, batteries are quite heavy, weighing around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Now, gently place your new, fully charged battery into the tray, ensuring it is seated firmly and correctly. To complete the installation, first connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal, tightening it securely with your wrench. Next, connect the negative battery cable to the negative terminal, ensuring a tight and stable connection. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp to keep the battery secure. Finally, clean any remaining corrosion from the terminals and start your Dodge Journey to confirm the new battery is functioning properly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.